Hi there, I'm the mechanic gone rogue. Today, I'm going to be trying my hand at woodworking. It all started with.
Ooh, baby, look at that. That's some nice looking pallets.
Yeah, I found these free hardwood pallets on the side of the road. I use pellets for firewood, but I can't just burn these hardwood ones. I gotta make something with them. When it comes to pallets, some people on YouTube have made some amazing things out of them. But they have the latest in tools and a lot of know how. I don't know about you, but I don't have any of that. Which is why I'm starting simple. I'm going to make some new pantry shelves because these old ones are plywood. Let's see how much effort it is to make these out of my pallet wood. Cue build montage. Well, I'm very happy with how this turned out. The grain shows very nicely, and the gloss brings out a lot of the wood's color and gives it a really nice shine. There's a couple things about this project I want to bring up, and I want to share the stats with you on it. As you can see, I used a table saw for all my planing and jointing. That's less than ideal and leaves some distortions up to about 1/16 of an inch, and it discolors the wood in places. The technique is less than perfect, but for what I was doing, it worked out. As you saw, I used my belt sander to take care of those minor issues. I also made the effort to keep the worn side with the old nail holes all face down, which makes a very noticeable difference in the final product. Next thing is cost, which isn't actually as much as I expected. Most of it was due to tool acquisitions. I tried to keep the cost down by going with secondhand options and by borrowing what I could. I spent about $140 in tools, mostly because I was fortunate enough to borrow the table saw, and then about $80 in sandpaper and paint. And finally, there's the time usage, which also wasn't as bad as I initially thought. I spent about 35 to 40 hours on this, but that includes a lot of learning, and I had to pick up the necessary tools as well. With those initial hurdles cleared, I'm confident that I'd be able to pull off more projects like this during weekends or evenings. In conclusion, after my first attempt, woodworking seems quite approachable. I think the next step would probably be to increase the complexity of the project, but that'll be for another video. For now, I want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. MGR signing out.